getting, but I know for sure it's gonna be this.
That wood thing?
Yeah, that big old thing. I can't take that.
No, we're gonna keep, you know what was wrong? Let's just leave that there.
Okay.
The wood thing
Empty
there.
it out.
Yeah.
Got
It's
it.
really heavy.
Whatever's inside we can take out, but just leave the cabinet itself.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Is there any more light? Did the door ever get fixed?
No. No.
This is blocking the garage.
Yeah, you gotta move it. Yeah, you definitely have to move it because that's what happened.
Okay, so
If these doors open, then it will hit, and then the garage is gonna.
so let's take it.
You could move it to this side. This is
It's
what I had
not
before.
nailed to the wall, right? It's just
No.
in here.
Darren, you can move it to this side over here. I had it on that side.
Yeah.
No,
Right there,
because
too.
it's gonna be so heavy just to move it over there. I just like to have everything clean. People can
Okay.
just put in whatever they want.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the side. This is what's
Or you
messed
can
up
move
over
it.
here. This rail. Okay, but what y'all do with that?
No, that stuff's gonna go. That's
No, I mean this rail.
Oh no, that's what the problem is. He never got the rail fixed. This is way too big for this little bitty garage. This garage has been giving me a problem for 12 years. You see how far apart this is?
Mm-hmm.
This is too far. And do you see these wheels?
Yeah,
They'd be all the way to the edge. This is not right. This is not on right. And
it's
that's
okay. I
why
got a guy that could fix that. No
we've
problem.
been having a problem with this thing.